This is how you change your tire, the spare tire on a 2018 Audi S5. You're gonna pop your trunk, you're gonna go to this access panel, pull up on it, and this is where your spare is going to be. Now right here we have our wheel lock. We're gonna need this to remove the tire off the car. So let's put this to the side. This is where we have the spare. To remove it, you have to turn this little holder down counterclockwise to remove it. Now you're able to remove the spare tire. Lift it up. Make sure it does have air. And now we're going to remove the rear tire. The way that you're going to jack this up is you need a jack, and you're going to put it on the jacking point, which is right here on the pinch weld, as you can see where I'm pointing. Now before you lift up the car, you have to remove the lug nuts and loosen them up so it becomes easier, especially if you're on the side of the road. Okay, so now that we're at the wheel that we're going to be replacing with the spare, there's going to be some caps on the lug nuts, or lug studs, because these are studs, that you have to remove. Now, you're going to need some needle nose pliers here. You just have to get anything that can get behind the caps and pull them out. This is just the easiest way for me to do it. So you're going to pull them out just like that. The caps cover the studs for aesthetics purposes. These get removed. As you can see, there's a little bit of a lip there that you can put something behind and pop them out if you're in an emergency situation. These are going to be 17mm studs. Now, I have a power gun here, but you're going to have a wrench maybe. So basically, you're going to put the car in park and put the emergency brake on, and you're going to loosen up all of the studs. But the one thing that's very different about this car is that it does have a wheel lock. And what a wheel lock is a way to prevent somebody from stealing the wheel. So this kit was in the back of the car with the spare tire. Sometimes you put this in the center console or in the glove box. It comes with extra studs. And, oh, I'm sorry, it does come with a tool to remove the clips. So to remove the clips, you grab them like that and you pull them out. Okay, let me demonstrate. You put the tool in until it clips, you grip it together, and you pull them out. Now that we have them all off, we have the wheel lock here, and it is shaped the same as the wheel lock itself. You put it in and you twist it until you feel it grab. So you twist it and you feel it grab, okay? Now, you remove it first. Make sure you push in whatever socket, whatever tool you're using, because you don't want this to slip off, because it's easy to slip and strip. We're going to remove it. So you loosen it, and then obviously we're going to just remove it. But you do the same thing on all of them. You loosen them up a little bit. Then you go ahead and jack the car up. The car's off the ground. You remove the rest of them. Now grab it, be really careful here, and remove it. You get the new tire, or the spare tire, excuse me. You lift it up and you line it up with the holes. You grab your stud, one of them, and you start threading it in. Try to get two in there so in case it does come off. And just run them down. We're going to torque these, but when you're on the side of the road, all you have to do is hand tight these until the wheel is not loose. And once the wheel is not loose, you can lower the car gently where it barely touches the ground with the tire. And then you can tighten them the full way. You're going to tighten these in a cross pattern. So this one first, then this one, then this one, and then the last one. And as you saw there, I did it in a crisscross pattern. So again, now that the tire is on, we're going to lower it and barely touch the ground. And now that it's barely touching the ground, we're going to tighten them the full way. This is a demonstration, so we're not going to do it, but this is when you would tighten them all. Make sure they're super tight, nice and tight. and then take the car to get your tire repaired in a safe location. Thanks so much.